The futuristic-looking Vickers FMC VFM5 is still at the pre-production stage. With both turret and hull built of aluminum, the VFM5 weighs in at less than 20 tons. The contoured shape is specially designed to reduce shot traps and improve battlefield survivability. Powered by a General Motors Detroit 6-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, this highly sophisticated and agile tank can reach speeds of 45 miles per hour. This could be exactly what overseas customers want in a lightweight, cost-effective vehicle, but fitted with modern vision and sighting equipment and a fully stabilized 105mm gun.